In today's day and age, it's important for us to actually provide work instruction around work orders. And how do we do that in the context of our enterprise asset management system? We do that with checklists. Checklists allow us to define visually with pictures, with text based instruction, or even with videos of what we need to do before, during, and maybe after work. This is a great knowledge collection and distribution mechanism where we can actually capture how people approach their work, put it into a templated or checklist form, and then apply those work activities uniformly across the job that we're doing. So when I'm creating a work order, I have the ability to attach before, during, and after checklists. To give you an example, I'm going to actually add a before checklist onto this work order. When I add the before checklist onto this work order, it's going to allow me to do a pre-checklist to allow me to actually figure out what I'm doing before I get started on the actual job. And let's go ahead and I'll show you an example of that right now. Here's an example of my pre-work safety checklist that I just added on to my work order. And if I go to preview, this is going to show you the things that I want our maintenance technicians to do before they start their job. Do I have a hard hat? Do I have anti-slip safety boots? Do I have sharp resistant gloves and safety glasses, a high-vis vest? Do I have a back brace? My respirator? Is my work area clean? This allows us to capture all of that pre-work information into a template card that is then attached onto the work order. So this is a very powerful way for us to give instruction on the shop floor of how to execute jobs for new people or even pre-existing people that are maybe doing a different function within the shop in a really simple and uniform fashion. One step beyond kind of the checklist too is from a regulatory perspective. If you have work processes or procedures that need to be updated and you need to update that uniformly across your operation, you can update that on one checklist and now have it apply to all of the open work orders in the system. So we think having flexibility in the pre, during, and post work order checklists is an incredibly valuable feature for our customers.